In this video, we will talk about Midjourney and how you can use it to create amazing and professional images for your business, for personal use, or for any goal that you have. This is the best AI image and art generation we have today in the market, and I'll show you here in this section and the next ones also how we can use this to generate any image that you want. I'll teach you step by step how to do it, and also we will do a case study where we will create a complete product design. So we are launching a new product. That's the case study. We will create product images, rendering, photograph, and also a mock-up, an example of a website that we can use to sell this product. Also a logo for the product and for the company. All that we are doing for free here with Midjourney. To sign to Midjourney, you can go right now to midjourney.com, and this is the page that we have right now. Of course, this page changes frequently, so if you see something different, just follow the steps here. Right now, they are on beta, so you can click here on the button, join beta, or if you have an account already, you can just click on sign in. On this case, I already have an account. I'll just go sign in. This is my user. You see, I already created 32 jobs, 32 images with this user. Also, we see here on the left menu where we have the home, explore, the ranking, and also you can subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Clicking here, you see the prices. Here are the plans that they have right now. These plans change all the time. So it maybe you have different amounts, different values here when you visit Midjourney. But this is what I have right now. And right now in the $10 per month plan. And with this plan, I can create hundreds and hundreds of images. So you can choose any of these plans because they end the free trial. They had a free trial before that is no longer available because it's so on high demand right now that people all over the world are overloading the Midjourney server, many users. So they decide to end the free plan and they are starting with the $10 per month plan. You can start with that if you want. So in order to start using this, and you are maybe asking, okay, Diego, I like this. I want to generate images right now. How can I do that? You can come here to your user at the bottom and you click on the dots and go to Discord. Maybe if you don't have this option here, you may have here on the center to access the Discord platform. Discord is a platform where Midjourney is running at the moment. This may change at any time. If this changes, we will update this lesson in the course. So we click here on go to Discord and you will see that Discord, this program will open right now, and Discord is not exclusively for Midjourney. There are many gamers and websites and communities that use Discord every day. So for some reason, Midjourney decided to start to run their program and their artificial intelligence software that they have here within Discord. So this is what Discord looks like. The first thing you see, how do we know that we are in Midjourney? We see here Midjourney at the top. We see all the lists that they have. And you can start right now here on getting started. So if you want, you can read this to have an idea. You don't need to do this because I'll teach you here how to use it, okay? So now you have access to Midjourney. You have your free account. We have all the elements, all the tools we need to start creating wonderful, amazing, outstanding images for your personal use or for your business. And we will start doing that in the next video.